Hello, dear friends. This is Yaolong Company. Today, I would like to introduce our company products for you. Here is Yaolong Plaza, which we install some samples here. First of all, you will see a very tall flagpole. This is a 60 meters high stainless steel flagpole, which is unique in the world, the tallest flagpole in stainless steel material. Let's go closer and have a look. This flagpole is manufactured by our company and it is in single piece only. We use very good material, stainless steel grade 304. We have manufactured and installed for over 10 years, and still it looks very nice, and very durable, very stable. The flags we are using is 10 meters by 15 meters, which is very large. Compared with other galvanized steel flagpoles, this stainless steel looking very nice. You will see the finishing is very shiny and very high class. It's a very tall flagpole. We use electrical control by motor. And the motor we install at the basement. Here is the entrance of our basement, where we install the fan and electrical motor inside. Every morning we will raise the flags, and every evening we will lower down the flags. This flagpole is designed to withstand 180 kilometers per hour. So it is very, very nice. Around the 16-meter high flagpole, we have 22 pieces of 6 meters high aluminum flagpoles, as you can see at the plaza. The top veneer of this aluminum flagpoles is designed by our company. And also, at the base, you will see there is a removable stainless steel base. So it will replace the concrete, which you don't need to make the concrete, but you can just use this stainless steel cover. It is very stable and very suitable to use at the events for temporary use. It is designed by our company. We have a very professional design team. We can design based on your project needs.